This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. This is an update to a civil danger warning issued on January 4, 2026. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have some updates regarding the investigation of the blizzard.
We were wrong. This might not have been a real blizzard.
We still cannot explain it in details as we need more time to investigate this. However, we went to the coordinates where the blizzard originated and found a portal to a different dimension. We understand that this may sound absurd. However, this could explain all these strange ice entities appearing out of nowhere. Our researchers went in to do a quick investigation and found an ice dimension. We theorized that when the portal opened it sent some type of shockwave in the form of a blizzard. We are unsure as to what this ice dimension could hide as our researchers didn't stay there for too long. We have evacuated everyone within the 5-mile radius from the portal and sealed off the entire area. We have also got reports of a strange tall ice entity roaming around a Blizzardia state. This entity seems to target random individuals and taking them somewhere. Please, if you see this entity, call your local law enforcement.